Hi, it's Dave with Regal Fabric Care, your cleaner of all soft furnishings in the Boston area. We want to do this quick video to demonstrate how not to do a repair on a hand-knotted Oriental rug. If you come in close, you'll see that this Oriental rug has been cut, or torn actually, because it's an older piece. This cotton foundation, which makes up the back of the rug here, has got dry rot. And some years ago, it must have torn, and one of our customers decided to do their own Oriental rug repair. Well, there are many ways to do a repair. There are expensive but thorough ways. There are quick, easy ways, but the worst way is to simply do what they did, which was to put duct tape on the back of the rug. You can see in two places here, over here and over here, that they put duct tape to stop the split from progressing. Now, it might have stopped the split, but it certainly doesn't stop the foundation yarns over here from unraveling. It doesn't repair the current damage, and it leaves this sticky residue from the duct tape on the back of the rug, which is almost impossible to remove even with a thorough wash. What we suggest folks do is one of two repairs. The best way to preserve the integrity of the rug, and if it has value, and to preserve its value, is to have this rug taken back to good foundation material where the dry rot doesn't exist, and then reweaving the back, put it together by reweaving the foundation yarns, and then if the pile needs to be rewoven, reweave that with a wool that matches this color. That is the best way, and if it's done properly, it's never noticeable. Okay? And again, you can see how they did this here. Over here, just really a big mess over there. The second way, which is an acceptable way, as long as the customer knows that that's how it's going to be done, is with some kind of a patch, where you would open all of this up, you would patch with a similar material, and then you can use the proper adhesives to put back in place, and that a repair like that would last for years. This here is just basically the worst way you can do it. So if you have questions about cleaning or repairing your Oriental rugs, leave us a comment below, hit the subscribe button, and we look forward to seeing you on our next video. Thanks for watching.